Hello, welcome to this video. Now, what I'm going to be showing in this one is probably one of the coolest use cases I've had so far with some cool AI workflows. So, a client slash friend of mine is launching a clothing brand, and he spoke to me about maybe helping him with some AI to um, help him with his brand and maybe make some marketing materials and things like that. So I asked him, he would send me over, some pictures of some of his clothes. So he sent me this one in particular, and we did some real magic with this. So this is all I received from him. This is all I received, and we took this from a simple picture of like this piece of clothing on a carpet to do some amazing stuff. So I'll show you the first thing that we did. So the first thing I did is I took a few of these pictures, I load them into ChatGPT. All right, so I load these here, and I just asked it to put these accurately on a male model because this is giving me like streetwear, male model type of thing. So immediately we had this this image of this person wearing his outfit, right? So that was the very first thing. I made a couple other images for him to check out. One with the image on his son. He sent me a picture of his son was getting older and everything. Put it on his son. I won't show it here. I don't want kids in the picture or anything like that. But we made this male model with wearing his clothes, and it looks pretty good, right? It looks like an actual street scene, and this was really good. So send him that. Next, I decided, let's make a little commercial about it. So I went here to Google Flow and I dropped the picture in and I put in I had to do this a couple of times because it wasn't pronouncing his brand properly. So I had to spell it out in a different way to make it say it right. But then we made this little short 8-second clip of the man walking in the street.
Doper Than, where bold style meets unstoppable confidence. Stand out, stay sharp, be doper than the rest. Doper.
So we made this commercial. I think I made a couple of versions of it, trying out a few things, but very similar each time. So now we've gone from, again, just these pictures on the carpet to this is what we started with. And with no other things, no photo shoots, no video shoots, no anything, just these pictures. And we've got the male model picture. We've got a little mini commercial. And then so I showed him that, blown away again. He's like, man, this is amazing. So he said, I'm getting ready to start the website, but I want to do like a landing page where people can sign up and wait. So he gave me this particular site as an example where when you come to the site, it's got kind of this countdown and where you can sign up for the wait list. All right, said cool. So I went to Manus at this point. I put in the link to that site, said, hey, I want you to make a landing page similar to this, substitute the name brand for his, which is Doper Than. And then I put this video that I created in Flow. I wanted that as the background, like they had the video here on the background. And I said, deploy this as a web page so I can share it. It did all of this, worked for a few minutes, and came up with this cool page. So if we go visit the page, actually I already have it open over here. Here it is. And this took like 5 minutes. I actually did all of this stuff from my phone. I never did do it on the computer. I'm recording this video from the computer, but I did all of this, every single piece of it, just from my phone, just on an app. So this whole marketing thing from a piece of clothing on the floor to now we have a full-blown site with a waiting page and a sign-up list and a little video commercial, and we got this male model consistent pretty much in all of the shots and everything. And all this work probably all of it took less than an hour to do if we combined it all. I did the first parts of it, creating the model and the video last week. And then yesterday he asked me about the website, and I created this in about 5 minutes with Manus. And so now I'd say all that to say, imagine the possibilities. A lot of people want to start businesses and things like that, and they wait because, I got to do a photo shoot, I got to do all these different things. But now with a lot of these AI tools, you can create your marketing materials pretty simply and easily for a fraction of the cost. Some of these do have subscription prices and things like that, but I mean, for the price you're paying and for the speed that you're getting it, it's totally worth it. I pay $20 a month for ChatGPT, right? But I've created tons of ads and things like that. I pay 125 a month. It's going to go up to 250 for VO3. But imagine how much you have to pay to get a model and a photo shoot, and I mean, yeah, the photo shoot, and then a video shoot, and how many takes it would take, and the equipment you'd have to rent, and all of that. I'm able to do that and more with that subscription, right? And then for the video landing page, I actually use the free version of Manus for this. I haven't paid for the Manus subscription yet. I have another similar type of program where I actually pay for it, but I want to try it out in Manus. And boom, it did it with the free credits that I get. So it's pretty cool. And I had all that done in less than an hour's work. And now you got somebody, pretty much ready for a launch, or at least they've got a lot of the assets together that would have normally taken them weeks to probably get together, and it probably stalled where you never actually get it off the ground. So yeah, just wanted to share that. I've got another commercial I did for another client, very similar. They sent me some pictures, and I'll probably have another video sharing this. But this is the one I went the furthest with, from starting off with just that picture on the ground. So again, just to recap, this is where we started. This is all I got. This was it. We went here, created our model, created a video, a little commercial, and then create our landing page. Boom, no time. So take that, go explore some AI stuff, man. Definitely ping me if you need any help, and I'm happy to help.